Let us find out the magnetic field energy, magnetic field energy stored by an inductor. Let's take a circuit. Let us say it has got a inductor. This is the circuit. It can be closed in this direction, and this is a battery which is supplying the current when the switch is closed. Now initially what happens, this inductor will oppose the motion, and the direction of current is like this. The thumb, you see the movement of the thumb, it is in the downward direction, and if you see the way I have curled the fingers from this side, how they are looking from the other side, that is from this side, these fingers are turning in the clockwise direction. So this will be my south pole and this will be my north pole. Initially there won't be any field lines, but slowly field lines will be induced. This starts behaving like a magnet. Okay, and this process will keep on going till it attains the maximum field lines. So some energy is stored by this magnetic field. We are trying to find out that. This is the resistor. Now to find out magnetic field, to find out the energy, we want to find out U. So there is an induced EMF because of this inductor, and let us say it is providing a voltage V. So can I find the power? Power will be I multiplied by V. This V is induced EMF in the inductor. So here we can find out how do I get this induced EMF. I will get it as E is equal to L di by dt. To substitute the value here, I into L di by dt. This is the power. Power is equal to current multiplied by voltage. Okay. When voltage is given, we find power like with this equation. So taking dt other side, P dt is equal to L I di. Now what is power basically? Power is work done by time taken. Okay. So power into time will be work. Work and energy basically both are same. So for a small interval of time, P dt will be equal to du from this. So this will be equal to du is equal to L di. So to get the total energy, we need to integrate between the ranges. So initially when the switch is not connected, there is no current flow, and when they attain the maximum field lines, there will be free flow of current all around. So that will be the steady state. In that stage, total current will be full current. So this will be from 0 to U. So U is equal to L I square by 2. So this is the equation to find out the stored field energy in the solenoid. Now if you see this equation, somewhat like in kinetics, in mechanics we have seen this equation half mv square, kinetic energy is equal to half mv square. If you see here, what is this mass doing in that equation? Mass is basically providing the inertia, a resistance to movement. So when often this equation, when it is written in this form Li square, this analogous thing happens with this equation. Often these two equations are compared. So the kind of inertia here, it is a mass inertia, and this is kind of an inertia in the circuit. Although they are not same, but analogous if you talk, they appear to be same.